Well, hello, my sweet friends in Kiss Up Cards, Keep It Simple Stamping Up. I'm Marianne, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up consultant. You're not going to see me tonight because what I have to share with you is super, super cute. Super, I have not been this, I don't know, I'm just I'm loving these two colors, and I'm going to walk through everything that I got. But there's one package of designer series paper that I just love. And I think I say that about everything. But let me walk you through. So I have been sharing on my Facebook feeds for the month of August that there is a Stampin' Up sale going on. And it's going on the in colors. You get 15% off. So I got caught up in the sale. I love a good sale. And 15% off on the new in colors. I don't know if I've seen that because I don't usually go for the new in colors right away. I'm sort of slow on the lag, but because they were on sale, I did pick them up. So here we go. I'm going to show you two colors that I just love, and I think they're so beautiful together. Strawberry Slush. If you follow me on my and watched my videos, you know that this is my new in color. So I already had the paper, and now I've got the stamp pad. And then I got the ribbon to go with it. It is the prettiest pink I have ever seen. Like, I love pink, and this is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So the paper I already had, but I got the ribbon and the stamp pad for 15% off. Then I got the color Secret Sea. And the other thing that I got from Secret Sea was the cardstock. Now, I have been hearing from other consultants and clients is that this is like the new black. And it is gorgeous. I have a black piece here. You can see the difference in that, right? But this is such... And then you see the difference between my Night of Navy and this. Now this looks more black, right? So it is just gorgeous. And what's going to be gorgeous is Secret Sea with the Strawberry Slush. Like, great color combinations. And so I have the stamp pad and I have the paper. I was looking for the little ink spots, but they came in with other colors, and I had the other colors, so I just went with the larger stamp pads, which maybe I might like in the future, in the long run anyway, and I can get ink refills for them, and that saves money as well. So I have the Secret Sea cardstock, and I can't wait to start working with it. The other thing was I didn't have gray markers, and this is like a bluey gray. So this is called Cloud Cover. It is one of the newer colors as well. You cannot get it in the large ink, the Cloud Cover. The other new colors were a yellow one and a green one, and I can't remember what the names of the colors were, but you will see them in the comments. So I picked up some Stampin' blends to go with my current supply of stamping blends. I was just checking to see what this color was here. Dark gray granite. Oh, look at the difference. You think this looks like gray, and then you put it up beside gray, and it looks a little different. So this is going to be really cool. Oh, and the other thing I got was I got some more of these gems that are Strawberry Slush and pretty and pink gems. Just gorgeous. So I got another one of those. Then I got two new stamp pads. I got this one because I already have the punch and a stamp set that has this design on it. So I thought that is brilliant of Stampin' Up! To make another stamp set that goes with this punch. Let's see if I can locate the punch pretty quickly. Yeah, it's this one right here. So this punch is available. And I don't think I got any, no, I didn't save anything on this, but because it has more that goes with this punch, I thought it just increases the value of my punch. So I got that. This I paid full price for, and this, I follow a few Stampin' Up! Consultants, demonstrators, and Miss Armstrong is one of them. I can't remember her first name. And she is from Texas, and she's got that Texas drawl, and she is the happiest person on earth that I have seen. Well, she is $1 million. You see the gold on here. She's $1 million sales rep. So as a result of that, she got to design her own stamp set. And I don't know if you can see in the happy, but she has like a design of happy place. I think it's of Hawaii. She loves Hawaii. And then you stamp this and you've got happy retirement, happy place, happy life, happy days, happy times, birthday, happy for you. And because she's from Texas, they added, hey y'all, because she does say that all the time. So I love that they have had this milestone in their career, and that I get to celebrate with them by having their stamp set. So I have 3 $1 million stamp sets from consultants that I have followed for a long, long time. Now look at this paper pack. This has the in colors in it. It has Secret Sea and Cloud Cover in it. But I also have to think that this might have been on the last chance list as well. And look at how beautiful. Oh, and look at the B side. Oh my gosh. So you get 3 of each print. Look at this one. That is going to be so beautiful. Oh, nope, 4. You get 4 of each. And then this is the B side. Even the B side looks beautiful. Yeah, 4 of those. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so beautiful. Got some layouts that is going to look gorgeous on. And the B side. Look at this one. I just saw this worked with the other day. And this is the B side. It looks like vintage wallpaper. I love this scenery. Sceneries are beautiful. You can make some beautiful cards with them. And look at the B side. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, just beautiful. Look at the roses on here. Absolutely stunning, stunning paper. And I saw this and I thought, oh, what would I do with this? But that always happens. I see paper and I think, what am I going to do with it? Oh, look at this, has a map on the back. That is so, oh, look at this. I love this one. And this is the B side. So that is the beautiful gallery. And it comes in 6x6. Gorgeous paper. Scenery on it. You'll see me working with it in the near future. I'm going to show you some of these things in the fall with some of these. This one, I already had the stamp set with otters, but then the paper was on sale for 15% off because it has oh, no. I think this was in the last chance list and I got it on sale. And I thought, you know, why don't I just get some of that? This will make great birthday cards for kids. And just look Otters are so much fun. And then look at the B side. I'm swimming. And the B side. This would make great scenery cards. And look at this fun side. And just all otters. I think there was a die cut that die cut these out. But you know what? They will be easy to fussy cut out. And then the other side has water on it. So if you needed that. Again, these will be easy to fussy cut out and add to your card. And then the B side, some vegetation and the water. That looks gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, so this was on the last chance list. And so I thought, well, I'll get that and then have it with the stamp set as well. This is the one that has caught my eye. And because it has the new in colors in it, I grabbed it. So this is, let me just get the name of it. I'm probably going to butcher it, but I don't know if you know this history of this, but it's Kintsugi Inspirations. The Japanese, when something breaks of porcelain or china, they don't throw it away. They put it back together with gold in between. And it looks, I think, even more beautiful than the original piece. And the reason this has so much meaning for me is I see Jesus as doing that for my life. You may not believe in that. You may not have a faith, but I do. And I believe that Jesus has taken my broken pieces and filled it in with gold and just made me even more beautiful than what the world tried to destroy. So that's why it has such significant meaning. And these will be so easy to fussy cut out. And I'll have so many to put on cards. And the B side has this on it. It looks beautiful. Kintsugi. I may be butchering it. Kintsugi. Beautiful gold paper, gold veining. This looks like the wind blowing. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And the B side. And this, oh my gosh. The little blooms, and then the B side. I think this will be all A side usage paper. Again, more gold veining and then leaves. And the B side. And this with the blue. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. And it does go on Secret Sea as well. Looks gorgeous. It just makes it pop. So I'm going to have so much fun working with that. So if you have seen something that, you know, you're thinking, oh, I think I would like to get that. Now's your chance. You have until the end of August, but I think sooner rather than later, get your stuff. The link for the shopping on my online catalog is down below. Click on it. It brings you right to Stampin' Up store, and you can look at all these products. You can look at what's on sale. Get the things that you like. Like if you don't like it, some paper, that's fine. You don't have to like all the paper, but if you do like something, then I suggest that you get something that you like, because then you'll enjoy working with it. So that's the new in colors working with. I didn't get the green and the yellow because I find them really, really bright, and I find for myself, I don't work with a lot of bright colors, but I do love this. The Strawberry Slush and the Secret Sea. I think they're going to be my new favorite colors, and if they go on sale, I'll be getting some more stuff. I kind of just go for the, well, not always for the sale stuff, because I did buy these at regular cost, because this will increase the usage of my stamp, and this is following million sales rep for Stampin' Up. So there it is, the In Colors, my unboxing. This was my unboxing that I have just really enjoyed unboxing and getting, and I'm gonna love working with these and showing you what is coming up. So if there's something that grabbed your attention, or go look on the online store, figure out what you would like to purchase, and from there. And if you have any questions, let me know. Pop me a comment down below or email me at kissupcards@gmail.com, and I would be willing to assist you. So thank you for joining me for my unboxing, and have a great evening.